Welcome to As the Practice Grows, brought to you by Crest and Oral-B. Learn how to attract new patients to your dental practice through a variety of marketing initiatives while having more fun in the process.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today. I'm your host Brad with another extremely exciting episode, and it's all about the patient check-in. In my opinion, the check-in is the biggest no-brainer in the history of marketing. Curious what a check-in is? Well, it's when someone goes to a social media platform and they let all their friends and family know where they are. So encouraging patients to check in at your practice is a great way to create scalable word-of-mouth marketing. Now, all you have to do is put a check-in sign in the reception area that says, check in and win a prize. The check-in will actually give you some nice organic SEO juice as well. Now, check out the additional resources on dentalcare.com for more local marketing ideas. With that being said, I recommend a check-in and win a prize program for your office. Make sure your prizes are personalized and unique. And that's the key to this whole check-in initiative, to create ambassadors out of your patients so they tell everyone about your practice. What if you donate one canned food to the local food pantry for every check-in? Think about the goodwill this gesture creates in the local community. When you incorporate an altruistic component into your marketing campaign, it's a win-win across the board. I highly encourage you to come up with your own personalized prizes for the check-in, because this will most appropriately represent the unique mission of your dental team. And if you focus on that, you'll be a marketing genius. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching As the Practice Grows, your home for dental marketing tips, insights, and inspiration.